Hello everyone. Today we will start our new repertory era, that is modern repertories. Era of modern repertory began in the year 1982 after publication of synthetic repertory by Parther and Clunker. Early repertories gave foundation to homeopathy. Middle time repertories gave sound philosophy, improved content and systemic working methodology to homeopathy, and modern repertories enriched with good number of rubrics as well as medicines, and these can be used for working out all type of cases. So every era has its own importance. Like early repertories gave the foundation to homeopathy in case taking. Middle time repertories gave different types of philosophies, improved contents, and different types of working methodologies for every different type of cases. And modern era gives new number of rubrics and medicines which can be used in different types of cases. So today we will start the synthetic repertory. Now first we will see the introduction of synthetic repertory. In the introduction, name of two books are given. That is, first is Fragmenta de Viribus Mentorum, which came in the year 1805, and two volumes of symptom dictionaries came into year 1817. After that, synthetic repertory was originally published by Carl G. Hogg, Warlack, Gam and Co. in Heidelberg in the year 1973. It was published by India by Bejan Publishers, New Delhi in year 1987. And synthetic repertory is the extension of Kent repertory. So this is an important point. All the dates, all the books and all the years are important point in this. So we will see the first edition came in the year 1973. Second edition, that is improved edition, came in the year 1982, and the third edition came in the year 1993. The resumption of title synthetic repertory was the result of threefold synthesis. First, supplements from the oldest to latest homeopathic literature. Second, the register of equivalents and related symptoms. And third, composition of individual subjects. Dr. Barthel decided to publish only generals. What he decided? Only generals to play important role in the choice of drug. So he gave only importance to the general symptoms. Dr. Barthel considered Kent's repertory to be the best reference book for particulars. So according to whom Kent's repertory is best book for particulars? According to Dr. Barthel. Now we will see the 3 volumes of the book. The first 2 volumes are known as Barthel volume, and the third volume is known as Clunker volume. So volume 1 contains mental symptoms and volume 2 contains physical generals except sex and sleep. And volume 3 contains sleep, dream and sex. Now according to S.K. Tiwari, number of sources for synthetic repertory are 16. Now we will see the philosophical background. It is based on generals. 4 types of typography is used. That is, first is capital underline, second is capital, third is bold, and fourth is ordinary. Now we will see the plan and construction of the repertory. So volume 1 contains only mental symptoms. Total number of rubrics present is 604 and 33 cross references. In volume 2, physical generals with time modalities, desire and aversion, ailments from. It has 358 main rubrics and 23 cross reference. Now volume 3 has 4 main chapters. First is sleep, second dream, third is sex male, fourth is sex female. Sleep contains 44 rubrics, dream contains 400 rubrics, sex and male chapter contains 16 rubrics, and sex female chapter contains 26 rubrics. Cross reference is mentioned throughout the repertory in all 3 volumes. Means cross reference is not given in any specific volume, it is distributed in all the 3 volumes where needed. Now some special features. Total number of drugs in this repertory is 1594. There are many clinical rubrics mentioned in it. It cannot be called as complete repertory due to absence of particulars, because we know Barthel is given importance to generals in this book, so it has no particulars, so it cannot be called as complete repertory. For complete repertory, both particulars and generals should be present in that repertory. Now we will revise what we have studied in short. So we will see modern repertory in short. Modern repertory. So its era began in the year 1982 after the publication of synthetic repertory. So now we will see the important points of synthetic repertory. So it has 3 editions. First edition came in the year 1973. Second improved edition came in the year 1982. And third edition came in the year 1993. This is the third edition. Now it was originally published by whom? First to publish the synthetic repertory is by Carl G. Hogg, Warlock and Co. The place is Heidelberg. And edition was published by them. Second edition was the improved, and the third edition was in 1993. Now it is the extension of Kent repertory. It is nothing but the Kent repertory extension. So Barthel only gave importance to generals. And Barthel called this book as the best reference book. Okay. Now we will see the 3 volumes. The first 2 volumes are known as Barthel volume, and third volume is known as Clunker volume. So volume 1 includes only mental symptoms. That is volume 1. It has 604 rubrics and 33 cross reference. These things you have to remember, that which volume has how many rubrics and cross reference. Now volume 2 includes all the physical generals, that is, which are physical, including time modalities. It includes desire, aversion and ailments from. Now number of rubrics 358 rubrics and cross references 23. That is 10 less than the volume 1. Cross reference in volume 1 was 33, in volume 2 is 23, 10 less. And in volume 2 the main rubrics are approximately half of the volume 1. Now volume 3 has 4 main chapters. First is sleep with 44 rubrics. Second is dream with 400 rubrics. Then sex male with 16 rubric and sex female with 26 rubrics. Then how we can remember? In sleep there are 44. In dream the number 44 can be closely learned as 400. In sex female there are 16, and in sex male there are 16 rubrics, and sex females 10 more than males, that is 26 rubrics. Now total number of drugs in this are 594 drugs in synthetic repertory. and it is not known as the complete repertory as it gave importance to generals only. So we have any remaining point? Now only typography is left. It has four type of typography or gradations used by Barthel. So first is capital underline, second is capital, third is bold, and fourth is ordinary. So these were the gradations used. So that's all for the synthetic repertory. Thank you.